Hi guys, I'm Juan here, up to the sun, bringing lifestyle, fandom, realness. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. Before we get started, please go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps out with that vicious algorithm. And subscribe if you haven't already. It is another wonderful Pin Me Up Wednesday. Yay! Y'all, to be honest, February has been quite the month. It's been very trying. And I just really am grateful to all of you who have kept coming back, watching my videos, messaging me, like checking up on me, seeing how I'm doing. I really appreciate each and every one of you that takes the time to connect with me, because that's what this is all about, is building community with you all. And I really want to continue to build connections with you. So please don't be afraid to reach out to me. Please make sure that you're following me on Instagram. Feel free to say hi, hello, how are you? I'm very much looking forward to March, because that will be my birthday month, and you know I'm going to spoil myself. So as you saw from the title, we are doing an unboxing today, and it is a whopper of one. One of my most favorite collaborations has just occurred, and it is Hello Kitty and Friends and Care Bears. I love these pins. Look how gorgeous they are. They have like a stained glass element to them. So this is a Sanrio friend that is going to be paired with Care Bear, and I'm so excited for this. So much so that I got 12 boxes. What I think I'm going to do, I'm going to go until I have the whole set. So if I don't go through all of them, then that's fine. I'll save them for later. Or if it's not looking so hot, we're probably going to go through all 12 of them. So let's get started. Box number one. Also forgot to mention these are Loungefly pins, and I did end up picking them up at Hot Topic. Okay, number one. Okay, nice tear strip there. This is going to be, let's have it face you, not me. And we have, we have Grumpy Bear with Batsmaru. How cool. These are a beautiful size. That cloud that they're sitting on is all glittery. Oh my gosh, and Grumpy Bear and Batsmaru are enjoying all the stars there. Oh my gosh, what a beautiful pin. You can see on the back the cutout there for the stained glass element, and it says Hello Kitty and Friends X Care Bears. Oh my gosh, love, love, love. Obsessed. I have to have this whole set. Box number two. Okay, here we go. Out facing you, and we have Pom-Pom Pure with Bedtime Bear. Oh my gosh, so cute. He is my next favorite pup, is that chunky Pom-Pom Pure. He is so cute, and they are playing with the stars. I love that. This also has blue elements to it because of the blue for Bedtime Bear. And I love the little hat Bedtime Bear is wearing. They're always ready for bed. And again, the cloud is glittery. Oh my gosh, so stinking cool. Box number three. Wow. I think I'm so nervous because I just love these. I want all of them. Okay, who's facing you? Yes, and we have boo. Okay, so our first duplicate. Dang it. Right, no worries. We have, this is box number four. Decided to get the first dupe out of the way. Here we go, number four facing you, and it is, yay! We have Kuromi here with, I think this is Share Bear. I will correct myself if I'm incorrect. This is so cute. They're floating there with the balloons. I love the rainbow balloons. And again, these clouds are glittery. That's so freaking awesome. And they have one of the stars there that's actually alive with his little face. And oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Stained glass element is purple now for these two, and I love this. Wow, so cool. I just realized why I got 12, because there's 8 in total. My gosh, that's a lot of pins. Box number 5. It's facing me, but oh my gosh, so sorry about that. But it is Sunshine Bear! Yay! This is the one I wanted the most. Okay, so they are catching stars, and I freaking love that. And he's with Karopi. Oh my gosh, Karopi looks so tinky tiny next to him. But this is my favorite Care Bear, Sunshine Bear, as you all know, because he's on brand. And Karopi's there winking. That's so bizarre for an eye to be winking and not fully closed. But the stained glass element is yellow. Ah, oh, these are just so beautiful. Okay, so far we have half of them, 4 out of 8. So, and 1 duplicate. This is box number 6. These 3 new ones. Please, that's all I have. We have, I can't see, oh my gosh. It's another grumpy bear, and he seems to be raining on my parade. This is where I start to get nervous because we're already at box number 7. A rip, and this is facing you, and we have, ooh, but it's another Sunshine Bear. Love it, not mad at it, but kind of, you know, sucks. Y'all. Well, not even gonna say anything, but you know. Box number 8, we have facing you. Oh my god. Ah! Okay, so these are the last 4. And to complete this set, all of these need to be the new ones that I need. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, box number 9. Oh my gosh. Okay. Just kind of get it up. Not get it up with, but you know what I mean. Get to it. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is bound to happen because, you know, you don't get to choose the boxes when you order online. That was another bedtime bear. It's not too bad, but my gosh. We will not be completing this set today. Box number 10. Okay. You see y'all. Okay. That is the 4th grumpy bear, and it's just determined to make me a grumpy bear. Box number 11. I am not losing the will to live. These are just pins. And we have, this is the final 12th box. At this point, I just want something different. Oh, not that I needed the win, but it doesn't hurt to have something different. Well, as the great Gingerman once said, I got me, gal! You sure done got me. Let's go ahead and see what they look like all together. So here are the 4 that are on their own, part of one set. And then here are all the other duplicates. I just don't know who are really getting these pins. If you are, please go ahead and reach out to me. Please DM me on Instagram. We can do a trade. Even if you don't have any Sanrio, I am so happy to trade with you for any other pin that you think I might enjoy. As a bonus, I did end up completing this house puzzle pin. I was missing the Hello Kitty. Look at that. Oh, she's so cute. And this looks so cute together, the casa. These are my other Sanrio pins. It has been a wonderful month of Sanrio. As disappointing as this pull was, I'm really happy that I started building up this collection. But again, you win some, you lose some, and today just wasn't my day. Thank you so much for joining me. That's all I have for you today. Do you collect Sanrio? Are we twins on any of these pins? Comment down below, let me know. Hope everyone had a wonderful February as much as they could, and here's to a better March. Again, please remember to like, subscribe, and share this video to someone who thinks they might enjoy it. And with that, be safe, tell someone you love them because tomorrow's never promised, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!